Another exciting November fox hunt for the OMARC Amateur Radio Club.
Off. So since we're still here and 10 kilohertz away, we know that we're very close. Another thing we can do is we could unscrew the antenna.
That was Steve. Most of the antennas are do-it-yourself projects made out of PVC pipe.
And when it's turned on, there's a battery that runs the whole thing, and then this radio transmits a signal. Then the antenna comes out here. These kind of directional antennas, kind of like a TV antenna where it has to be pointed right at its source.
Yeah.
We can use those to listen to where the signal is.
Okay.
And so the idea is we have to try to find these transmitters that are sitting in the woods. And it's a way to exercise other amateur radio and other radio skills that come in handy during emergency situations, field days, various things like that, community events. We'll help with marathons, and if somebody needs help or something, so all of the resources can be in one place. We go volunteer our time to radio in for help.
Okay.
There was a lot of camaraderie, but first you have to hide the antenna, the fox. And that's what it looks like. It's always good to have a good full stomach and to serve the attendees some beans. That way, if they get lost, you can find them by smell. And there's Bawana Dave cooking. And there were 4 transmitters sitting today. We had some West Point cadets joining us. A lot of territory was covered, but these guys were experts. They found most of the transmitters. They get warmer, that signal's growing stronger. They're almost on top of it. And there it is. They found it. It's in the ammo box, behind that tree. Good job, fellas.
You gonna pick it up and take it home and mount it or something?
There's Steve.
We got a cheapo Baofeng. Underneath we got a SLA battery. This is the controller that's making the little beeps in the CWID. And then this buck converter drops down from 12 volts to 6 to power the Baofeng.
Is the Baofeng not that board?
This is the controller. So this is what this is what generates the tone. You could actually program these over DTMF. But then you can also plug a cable into it, which is a lot easier.
Well, these West Point cadets sure proved they were worthy. And here's a guy who's outwitting the fox by pretending he's asleep. That was great camaraderie all day. Got to meet new friends. Eat more hot dogs. Sit by the farmer and warm your rear. It was a beautiful location up in Fernwood Forest. This was donated by John Jacob Astor. This is his land. He lived here. There's Steve showing sort of a manual receiver there. Oh, there's the fox. And there were these little elves, these little gremlins.
Tell us about your experience. Fox.
DBJ illegally hit a fox.
Right.
He buried it down probably 2 feet. I attempted to use liquid to find it 3 times. We could not find it yet. It's illegal. He's not allowed to do it. So
How do you like fox hunting?
I don't like fox hunting.
You know, we sent 4 people out looking for you.
We was in the same spot for 2 hours. I peed 3 times. You could have found me by scent.
Yes, Jim, it seems the fox picked up your scent. But for more information, go to omarclub.net or our Facebook page, the Overlook Mountain Radio Club. See you soon.